All right, in this particular video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take a trade in the Webull app real quick. So what I'm actually going to do here is I'm actually going to do a limit order. You can actually do limit orders or market orders. So limit orders are if the price, whenever the price comes down, say I do limit order of $28. Until this price comes down and hit that, I won't get in until it hits that. And then the market order is wherever wherever the price is at the time. Whenever it fills it, it'll actually get you in there. So we're going to do a limit order in this particular spot. I'm just going to show you an example. I'll do a limit order of, let's just go with the $28 price point. So on the right hand side here, you're going to see everybody can actually change this up a little bit. This is how mine looks. I have my watch list over here. This is under the stocks part. This is actually the Webull app. I actually really like the app, the desktop app. And then what I have over here is the time and sales, active trades account, and then account details, and then trade. And you can actually even they offer level 2. This is actually more advanced, but you can actually look at that as well, depending on if I think they give you a trial for that. But let's just go ahead and talk about how to take a trade. So you're going to have buy, sell, and short. So right now, I'm just going to show you how to do a buy. We can talk about those at a later time. This in particular one, we're just wanting to buy this stock at $28. So if this stock comes all the way down to $28, that is when we want to get in. So we're going to come down here under limit price, and we're actually going to do $28. And then for this example, we'll just do one share. And so what I like about this is, say you have $500 and you want to trade, roughly around $500. You could even just you could do the percentage, or you could just do 500, and then what it'll end up doing is it'll add up the amount of stocks, and it'll go under the 500. So for example, there's 476. So 476 divided by 28. That'll get me 17 shares, right? So if you can see the math right there, because I don't think they show you how many shares here. Maybe whenever you limit it. So 476. You can see right here, estimated amount. I like to see how much. And then $28, that is the limit price. And then, so that's 17 shares. So I would get 17 shares. But for this example, let's just do one share. I'm just kind of showing you an example here of how to take a trade. And then you want to have a stop loss or take profit. That is up to you. That is up to the trader. But I recommend a 5%. What I actually have as default is a 5% stop price, and then a limit price of 10%. And you can actually take these on and off if you want. Let's just keep that stop loss on there for example, that they can show you. You know what? I'll actually keep the take profit on as well. And then this is actually really important. The time in force. You want to make sure this is what you want. So if I want this good till close, right? Because I don't want this expiring after today. I want this to do it, and whenever it hits 28, I want it to take the trade. So that is what's going to happen. And then yeah, once we do this, we can actually go ahead and buy it. And then it's going to tell you the primary, where the stop loss is. So where the stop loss is going to be 26. Right here it actually shows you your estimated loss too, and then your estimated profit. So this isn't a really big trade. And actually you can see here, this does happen if you have an account lower than $25,000. You have limited day trade. So actually right now, if I take this trade today, I'm not going to be able to close it until I get more day trades. And so that's just what happens. That's just some regulations that they have. It's not just Webull, it's everybody. So anyways, you want to go ahead and click that buy. And so what it's going to do now is going to have my target, which is that 10% up. I mean, you can even see right there. And then the stop loss. And so what I like about this is it actually shows you your estimated loss and profit. If you can see this here. And so say I wanted to just mess with this entry point and have it enter there. I can do it. I have to accept that thing again, and then I can move my stop loss. Now this isn't exactly the best stop. This is a daily chart, but I probably won't even take this trade. But like I said, this is a limit order, so I am actually not in this trade until it hits and hits $28. So, but yeah, that is basically how you that is how you would take a limit order. Now, if we want this to fill, I can actually move this all the way up here. If I wanted to, very close to where the price is now, and we can even go all the way down to the minute chart. And it's gonna actually, if you got it set on your phone, you're gonna get 100 different messages. So don't be shocked with that. But if I want to order, if say I want to take this trade right now, there we go. It actually filled my position, and so now I got like 5 alerts on my phone, 5 alerts on my desktop, and so now we are in. So now we're in this trade. I just took a live trade. This is just one share. This is just for an example's sake for this stock. And so now we are locked in, and so now we can adjust our stop loss or our take profit right here. So what I'll do is I'll tighten this stop loss up a little bit here, and then I'll move this target up to a little bit. That way you give it a little higher risk to reward. But if you're coming from Robinhood, this take profit and stop losses, you might not really know much about it. They do have it, but it's a little bit complicated in the charts. You really don't see it. So if you would like to see more, maybe some videos on that, I can actually do that as well at a later time. But I just wanted to show you how to do a limit order, and then right there, I actually moved it up and actually took the trade at that price. And if you do that, I do caution you. Say you have 100 shares and you move that up, the price of each share is actually going to go up. So your trade size is actually going to go up. So if you only wanted to trade, less than $500, the actual trade size is going to go up because you're paying more per share, if that makes sense. But I wouldn't really recommend doing what I did there unless if you really, 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 really like the trade. But you should have a mindset on exactly where you want to trade. But I just wanted to show you what happens whenever a position does get filled. This is only just a one share, so that wasn't that big of a deal. So yeah. So if you have any other questions for me about doing this, let me know. I'd be happy to help. I can always make another video. If you don't have Webull yet, I'm gonna provide the link in the description to get signed up. They give you free stocks. That way you can get signed up and get going on some of these trades. If you're maybe you're just looking at some of these videos just to see how to actually trade it, you can go ahead and do that right now, and you will be able to join. All right, guys. Thank you very much, and thanks for watching.